Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another midnight update edition for Shiba Inu. Just to kind of recap you all of the things happening right now with the Shiba Inu ecosystem. There are quite a few things right now in the works that we're watching. We're kind of covering here, and we're going to talk about the latest, whether it be with the Atomic wallet, which we're going to lead with that. There's also some interesting articles out here tonight about Shiba Inu. Is it a good time to invest? We're seeing some of the popular press come back around and they're covering Shib more because it's been consolidating for so long at this 6.2 level. We're going to address that. We're going to take a look at the charts and then recap some of the big highlights over the past few days, whether it be Coinbase Institutional adding Shib. What does that mean for the future of Shiba Inu? As well as what does the Ethereum London upgrade mean for Shiba Inu? Of course, the Ethereum London upgrade right around the corner, August 5th, right around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. That is set to launch and be live. And man, a lot of interesting things happening in the market right now. Ethereum is storming ahead. Gotta love that. If you're an Ethereum holder, you gotta love that. If you're a Shiba Inu holder too, because SHIB is an ERC20 token, which as we know, anything built on the Ethereum platform or anything built on the Ethereum network will also have a nice run-up usually when Ethereum does move forward. So welcome back in. If it's your first time dropping in, give the video a thumbs up if at any time you get some value. And thank you so much for picking this channel to get some of your latest news and information. I know there's a lot of content out there. Really appreciate it. And if you want a little bit more access to me and some of our inside members, come on and join us over at the Patreon. I'll link this down in the description for you. We'd love to have you over there. The more the merrier. We've hit 75 patrons now, so we're on our way to 100. Let me know if you want to be one of those next 25 that joins this awesome community and helps us continue to grow. All right, so also check out some latest videos today. We did talk about baby Dogecoin, a lot of talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum as well with the Ethereum upgrade coming up. Got a bunch of different videos out there on the channel recently, so check those out if you haven't seen those. But let's lead with this because this is the big news. And I mentioned this in my latest update before this one, but in case you missed it, and in case just want a little bit of a recap here, this is big. We're having an AMA with Shib token. This is from atomicwallet.io, and a pretty well-known wallet here, a decentralized meme token. They're explaining what Shib is, that is growing into a vibrant ecosystem. This is going to be Friday at 11 a.m. UTC, which is actually 4 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time if you want to do that quick math. And you get some rewards for asking great questions too. 500 Shib. Now, I don't know exactly how they're going to run this. We haven't got a ton of information, but it looks like Atomic Wallet will be handling this. And this is where you can join the chat here. And if we click this link, it does take us to a Telegram chat here. So it will be on Telegram. You can see how many members there are over here on the Atomic Wallet chat. Over 15,000 members and over 700 actually online right now. So it will be over on Telegram. If you want to join that, you can download the wallet too, leading up to the event. If it's something you may want to, use actually in the future. So this is big news. We're going to continue to watch it very closely. Now, I want to jump into this Yahoo Finance article. Shiba Inu makes its way onto Coinbase custody. They covered this yesterday, which was great to see. Coinbase has taken a step in that direction by adding support for Shib to Coinbase custody, but that does not translate to a listing, so not yet. Although we did hear from Shib Informer and Shytoshi that this is a step in the right direction, a step closer to a listing. The Shiba Inu community is crossing their fingers that the custody addition signifies growing institutional demand for their favorite meme coin. It also indicates perhaps that institutions are interested in adding the asset, okay? Because if we pop over here, this tweet from Shytoshi, it means that large institutions with over 10 million purchases can buy Shib in a place they feel comfortable. Can anyone name a company or person that would fit this range? I have a few in mind. So this is where we get kind of that urge to kind of think, well, who could be interested in getting this much Shib and keeping it over on Coinbase custody? Of course, we had a lot of speculation on this. Drop your thoughts down below. Give me some companies or people or entities that you think could be adding Shib in the future now that they are listed on Coinbase custody. We pop back over to the Yahoo Finance article. So apparently they got a Coinbase spokesperson which said, and they quote, "Shib is temporarily delayed in launching on Coinbase Pro. Any new updates will be sent on the same Twitter handle." I guess they're talking about the Coinbase Pro handle, which on June 16th said that they would delay the launch of Shib. We have yet to hear anything from that point forward. We still wait and wait to hear on that front. Now, they did also talk about Shib and how it was recently added to eToro, and this is a big one too, because eToro does have up over 20 million active users, and eToro is based out of Israel, which I was not aware of, actually. That's pretty cool. So it'll be interesting to see now, once we get a few weeks down the line, what kind of impact this has on the price of Shib, how many people add it to eToro. We saw Voyager, there was a big kind of push forward early on with Voyager adding Shib, but we'll have to continue to watch and see what it does on eToro. Now, they've also mentioned Robinhood. They've got a change.org petition, which we're all well aware of here in the Shib community, with more than 174,000 signatures to see Shib listed on the popular trading app Robinhood. Speaking of Robinhood, their IPO just came out pretty recently, and they are crushing it right now. They are way up they're now a publicly traded company over in the stock market, and they are crushing it. They're doing some great things. It would be great in the future to see Shib listed there. I think that would be a huge, huge boost, because those are the type of investors that would flock. Who knows? We get going on a Reddit page within Robinhood, the sky's the limit, right? And I think that's still very, very possible in the future. This is the type of asset that can take a community by storm. So this article also from Investor Place, very interesting. A lot of popular press articles here just today and yesterday. Close your eyes, hold your nose, and buy some Shiba Inu coin. Investor Place saying, sure, you could lose your entire investment with Shiba Inu coin, but it's also it could be a multi-bagger by the end of 2021, saying high risk, high reward, essentially, which we always talk about on the channel. These are always speculative plays, and I always stress to diversify your portfolio. But I know a lot of people interested in Shib, myself included. I'm invested in it. But it says, just for fun, you could buy 1 million Shiba Inu coins instead of a cup of coffee. I like that. What the heck, right? As long as you keep your position size low, it's perfectly okay to have some fun in your trading and investing. And this is what I say, this goes for all of the type of community coins, right? Sure, you could definitely make some cash on your baby Doge coins and Shiba Inu coins and Kishu Inu coins and what have you. Just tread lightly and know when to take profits. That's the big one here. All right, so they're basically talking about, the big pullback for the price as of August 3rd to the May 11th high. That's a change of around 464%. If it were to get back to the all-time high, it would quadruple if it revisited its prior high point. And we've talked about that. I think it can by the end of the year. This article indicating that it's possible as well. I said if we can get back to the all-time high, that would be a win. And I think that is still possible with Shib. I'll continue to say that. I truly do. I do think we can get there if the market comes back and if we get new investors. I mentioned that in the early update this afternoon. We need new investors. We need those Shib holders to really stack up and grow quickly like they were a couple months ago. All right, so hopefully you got some value out of this video. Currently, Shib is still consolidating. We're looking at daily candlesticks here down at the 6.2 level. I do think we are getting ready for a break one way or another, to the upside or to the downside. It's just been consolidating too much in this channel, and I do think it's poised to go back up from here. Of course, if it does go down to the 5.5 level, I'll probably add on to that position, because that is the basement. We know that to be true, and you'll get all those buy and sell trade alerts if you are a member, an insider in particular, over at the Patreon. Thank you all so much for the support, and it means the world to me. I'm very grateful for each and every one of you out there. We're looking forward to the Ethereum network upgrade. Can't wait to see that tomorrow. And take care, y'all. Be kind to one another, and I will see y'all in the next video.